Hi everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel English Learning Planet. Today in this video I will tell you short and concise summary of the novel, The Farewell to Arms, written by American writer Ernest Hemingway. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Farewell to Arms is a novel written by American author Ernest Hemingway. Set against the backdrop of World War I, it tells the story of an American ambulance driver, Frederic Henry, and his experiences in Italy during the war. The novel begins with Henry serving as an ambulance driver for the Italian army. He meets and falls in love with Catherine Barclay, an English nurse stationed in Italy. They embark on a passionate and intense affair, seeking solace and escape from the harsh realities of war. As the war progresses, Henry is injured and sent to a hospital in Milan. Catherine joins him there, and they continue their relationship in the relative safety of the city. However, their happiness is short-lived as Catherine becomes pregnant, and they face the uncertainties of the war and the future of their relationship. Tragedy strikes when Catherine goes into labor prematurely, and both the baby and Catherine die during childbirth. The novel ends with Henry devastated by the loss of his lover and child, and he reflects on the futility and senselessness of war. Farewell to Arms explores themes of love, war, and the human capacity for endurance in the face of adversity. Hemingway's sparse and concise prose captures the brutal realities of war while delving into the complexities of human relationships and the fragility of life. The novel is regarded as one of Hemingway's most significant works, showcasing his distinctive writing style and his exploration of the human condition.